Hello, I got your question here. You were asking about how to find this p-value. You could do it by hand with the formulas or technology. I decided to use technology in this particular case, StatCrunch. On page 456, they provide you step-by-step instructions on how to do this. To access this, you go, I can't, it's covered up here, but you click on T-stat, one sample, and we have summary information, and this box pops up. So if you look at the sample up here, he obtained a sample of 31 high-income individuals, so the sample size is 31. The sample mean was 716.3, and the standard deviation of that sample was 81.3. And it looks like you've already set this part up, and so, I put it, hypothesis, and I put the 705.8 in, and the greater than there symbol, I put that in. So you fill out this, then you click compute, and it'll give you the, do the number crunching for you and give you that .239. I hope this helps.